Hi, this is Steve Biggs of Boatshed, Norfolk, on board a 1981 Hunter Medina sailing boat. This is the interior. Pretty standard Hunter fare. 4-berth. Infall woods are up the end there for the bow. Winch to raise and lower the keel. Centreboard, sorry. There is a porta potty under the removable step. Under there. Pretty simple basic boats, but nice sailing boats nonetheless. Pretty tidy, small galley. Obviously a small foldable water can, manual pump, spirit stove. If you'd like further information on this Hunter Medina from 1981, please contact me, Steve Biggs, at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.